it's not too late to regret now. I have gone into the deepest dark. I stained my hands with blood, and if the end will be painful, I should be grateful. I just wanted to see the sky open the one last time. I just wanted to feel the rain washing away the pain, washing away the shame. I know fate's decided for everyone, and that for everything that we do, there's a reason. All my life I have been asking why. I never thought I would get it together, but finally now, as I'm leaving, life has a meaning. I just wanted to see the sky open the one last time. I just wanted to feel the shine. It could have been divine. Give me one more night, I will make things right. I have changed my ways. All I need is time. Give me one more day. Let me clear the way. I will have my grind. I will do my time. I've done terrible things. I must pay for the sins I've done, and now my world is in pieces. I got lost down in the blazing fire. Traded my soul for a minute of pleasure, and now I must pay for the worthless treasure. I just wanted to see the sky open the one last time. I just wanted to feel the wind welcome the virgin snow, for it's my time to go. I have got heavier heart, I must give it away. Maybe it's not too